to you real quick. I want to enjoy the luxury of like not knowing each other for real. Hold up.
Lord is flower bound, firefly. When I'm low, you take me high. I can teach you all the sounds of love.
Flower bomb, let me guess your favorite fragrance. And you got that bomb. I'm trying detonate you. No disrespecting, baby. Just try and make me smile. Try to keep my spirits up. That's why I lays it down. Try to keep your spirits up. Lil vodka, whatever. Took it forever to get dressed. I acknowledge your effort, so I clap for her. She deserves an applause. Shawty working so hard. She deserves that baton. Shawty, where your baton? Racing through my mind like she heard that. I got that work. I heard that she been on strike. Care to tell? I read your mind. She been on them dollars first. Caramel, macchiato. When Shawty get in the work, I can be your boyfriend, be your Vito, or a grand perk. I'm just trying to work that. They just trying to work your nerves. I'm just trying to read your mind. I'm just trying to feed you mine. I'm just trying to keep you light. They just trying to leave you blind.
Fantasy, I feel the way you dance with me. It's feeling like you need to be my lady, my baby. Can't you see? I'm talking about eternity. Tell me, would you care to be my lady, my baby?
Flower bomb, can I blow up on your mind? This is not no Sandra Bullock, but your potion number 9. Navigating through her eyes, destination to her thighs. And I hate to tell you too much, cause I stay with too much pride. And we way too young to know love. Maybe not, but we don't need no rush. Don't believe in love at first sight, but believe in love at first. Can I be with you just one night? I can wear you out inside. I can tell you like persistence, but I make me try. I just think we need one night. Can't decide if I can't right. Easy baby, my thing tight, but that lotus flower just ain't right. I ain't thinking I ain't right. Can't decide, but I can't fight. Easy baby, you the bomb and all, but if I do not land mine, or at least try, can I speak up? Or the peace out? Can we eat lunch? Can we take shots with your flavor? Flat drinks we call A-cups. I just think I need one night. Slightly more if it's done right. With that gorgeous face that don't know your name, it ain't important, baby, cause I'm on mine.
Fantasy,
Wow.
I feel it when you dance with me. It's feeling like you need to be my lady, my baby. Can't you see? I'm talking about eternity. Tell me, would you care to be my lady, my baby? Don't know me, don't know me. If I keep thinking sick of me. Don't know me. Let me teach you all the sounds of love. Baby, this was for you.
Tell me if you still love it. It's 5 a.m. and I'm drunk right now. Tell me, can we still fuck? One-on-one, I'm in the zone right now. Tell me, am I still? Telling you just how I feel right now. You say it's just a drug, and I know. I lied to you way before I had you right this moment. Then again, I could be drunk. Baby, I don't wanna sound righteous. I got 20 bitches sucking like license. I just any money roll a dice since I pick. She ain't even really my type, and out here she been losing herself to the night shift. She been losing herself, and I get it. Oh yeah, I get it. Yeah, and you been fighting for your shawty. Tell me is you still up? It's 5 a.m. and I'm drunk right now. Tell me can we still fuck? 101, I'm in the zone right now. Tell me am I still? Telling you just how I feel right now. You say it's just the drugs, and I know. I lied to way before. How they feeling? Before I had you right in some. Feeling like some money tonight. And again, I can be drunk.
Yeah. I know, mommy, I know. It's 2 a.m., no stress. At 3, that bullshit kick in. At 30, you feel your best. I turn my whole spot to crucial. It's crucial the way I left. Upstairs is like a low. I know it just be the best.
I'm looking at her and her starting to turn into you. Now you starting to fuck up my mind. Is it you, is it her?
We probably tripped to the birds. 29 is my address in case you ain't heard. It's flooding upstairs, it's elite. I don't make it squeak, make it squeak. I make this shit beat. Burn out my teeth when I feast.
Sleeping and slide through the streets. It takes a finesse, especially this cabaret cheap. Engine make it out the creek. Just leave the gate open. Notice I know I'm a creep. Are you about to Terrell? And now that gets down to the sleep. And now you obsessed by yourself. A minute from there, is this a room for me? Baby, do tell. Tell me is you still up? It's 5 a.m. and I'm drunk right now. Tell me can we still fuck? 101, I'm in the zone right now. Tell me am I still? Telling you just how I feel right now. You say it's just the drugs, and I know. I lied to way before.
Hey, what's up everyone? It's Tom the Tastemaker and welcome back to my channel. Today you guys, I'm doing a review for UNICE hair, and you guys know those pre-everything units that have been going around for a little bit now, the ones that come pre-curls and everything. I've done so many videos, so you guys have definitely seen me do this style before with previous units from UNICE. They have these pre-everything units. This one is a 7x5 with the bye-bye knots, which is what you guys can see here. It's like, girl, what lace. And you guys saw I didn't use any product to install this unit. I didn't use any got to be glued. I didn't use any hairspray, lace front glue. I didn't use lace front glue or nothing like that, and it's just like so perfect. And I will go ahead and do the comb test for you guys now so you guys can see that this is completely glueless. I can go right up under there, and as you guys saw, this does have like the scallop edge, so because of that it gives a more seamless look, and you don't have to worry about any harsh like lines in your lace front, because you know that's like the telltale sign obviously is the lace. It's about how well it's able to blend. And I did go ahead and put some foundation on my lace, of course. A lot of you guys asked me like what foundation I use. This is actually the same type of foundation that I use like for my makeup, but it's not the same bottle. This is the NARS Natural Radiant Longwear Foundation, and I have mine in the color New Caldolona. And I suggest using, it doesn't have to be this brand, but whatever makeup that you normally use for your face, like whatever foundation color, you should use that same color on your lace, because it helps it blend in a lot better, because it's all going to be the same color. You don't want to use anything too light or too dark, because like I said, it's going to be obvious. You're going to be able to see all of that. One of the main things that helps this blend in perfectly for me is because I made sure that I used a foundation color that is the exact same as the one I'm wearing on my face. So just make sure that the colors match up. You don't want to have something too light, because I was doing that before where I was using like a foundation that was actually, I want to say maybe 2 to 3 shades lighter than me. And one of the complaints that I was getting is that you can easily see like where the hairline is. But as you guys see right now, it's just like so seamless. And this is without using any product. Like, it's so pretty. And I just love this color. You guys know that fall is officially here. So I definitely had to pull this one out for you guys and let you guys see this one. Like I said, this is the same pre-everything wig that has been going around for a little bit, but now they have it in a new color, and I absolutely love this color. As I said, this is just perfect for the fall season. It's so beautiful. Even into like the winter season, you can definitely wear this color. It's just so beautiful, and I think it complements my skin tone very well. But also, I would say this complements a variety of skin tones. It doesn't matter if you are a lighter or darker skin. This is just a color that's universal and works for everyone. And I would say that it's also work appropriate. So if you wanted to wear something like this in the office space, and you can't typically wear like really crazy bright colors, this is something that you can wear to give yourself a new look in the office without, you know, shocking people too much, you know. A redhead is okay. As you guys saw, I went ahead and I curled just like this little piece here in the front, and I just used my Conair curling iron. This is something that I bought years ago. I think it was maybe about like $20-40 or something like that at Target. It was on sale. A lot of people mistake this for the T3, but this is not the T3 curling iron. This is just a old Conair curling iron that I've literally had for so many years now. And then I just cut some layers in the front using some scissors. These are no like special scissors or anything like that. They actually need to be sharpened. But yeah, I just went ahead and cut some layers in the front just to give us like this nice like bang effect. And then when I curled this side, I curled it a little bit different, because this side I curled like that, and this side I pulled it back and then I curled it away from the face. So that's what we have going on right here. Okay, and I just feel like it works perfectly. I just love how like pretty this came out. Like, it's just so perfect to me, and I just love how seamless it is. Like the fact that I didn't have to use like any product or anything, and that it's already ready for you right out of the box. So if you're somebody who doesn't know how to curl your hair, or you just like something like this, or something that's just more quick and easy to just put on and go, this is definitely going to be one that you want to pick up this fall season, because it's definitely a no-brainer in my opinion. I just think it's so pretty, and of course it's going to look good when you flat iron it out as well. I do currently have mine in a 24-inch, so this is where it is hitting on me, and this is with it curled. This is all of the hair up front, by the way. I would say that this is about 150 to 180% density. I don't feel like it's anything thicker than that, which is pretty standard for a lot of units, and I really do like how this one came to me. It's so pretty. I love the parting space on here. Like I said, this is a 7x5, so you do get a decent amount of parting space on here. You guys can see how that part goes back. I can actually make it go back a little further. I don't know if you guys can see, the tracks actually start like a little further back here, but we're just covering that up. And then in the front, of course, you get all of this space up front. So you can actually do quite a bit with this front area. You could definitely do a side part if that's what you want to do. You can do a deep side part, which is great, without having to actually like shift the unit, because a lot of times with closure units, you end up having to like shift it to get it to like make a side part. But yeah, this one just turned out so perfectly. I absolutely love it. Like I said, it just complements me so well. Definitely a color I can see myself wearing a lot. When it comes to like colors around this time of year, I like to either wear this color, which is like a ginger type of color, like a dark ginger color. It's not red, it's definitely, it's like a reddish orange if anything. But yeah, it's so pretty. If not this color, then I like to wear chocolate. Chocolate brown hair is like another one of my personal faves. Absolutely love it. But yeah, you guys, this is the finished look. Shout out to UNICE Hair for sponsoring today's video. Shout out to all of you guys for watching. If you guys are interested, I will have a direct link for this down below. And if you have any questions, drop a comment and I'll get to you guys as soon as I can. And I will see all of you beautiful people in my next one. Bye.